I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by importing both your foreground clip and the background image or footage into Capcut. Make sure you're using the latest app and that storage permissions are granted so files load fast. Once your clips are in, trim the subject clip to the portion you'll edit, then stack the subject on the top video track and the new background on the track below it. This organization prevents accidental edits and prepares the timeline for the background removal step that follows. Now you remove the old background using Capcut's Cutout or Remove Background tool. Select the subject clip, choose the AI Cutout option, and let it process. This is fast for clear subjects but refine sliders to reduce halos. Once the automatic pass is done, smooth the edge with feather and erode controls to avoid hard outlines. For stray hair or complex edges, switch to the manual brush and paint in or out, then keyframe the mask to follow motion, ensuring a clean composite throughout the clip. Finish by positioning and matching the new background so the composite looks real. Once the cutout sits over the background, scale and reposition the background layer to fit perspective, then use color tools or filters to match brightness and color temperature. Add a soft drop shadow or slight background blur to create depth. Finally, export at the original resolution and 3060 FPS to preserve quality. If you see jagged edges, go back and increase mask feather. Refine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.